Hello, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. So this video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be focusing on one singular question. This is based on a request from the community post that I put out recently. And the request essentially said if I could look at some of the more difficult trigonometry-based questions. So here we're looking at question 27 from SAT Practice Test 1, Section 1, Math Section 1, question 27. If you have any questions or concepts that you'd like me to go over, you can leave a comment on that community post or on any video, including this video, and I'll look to get to it as soon as possible. All right, but let's jump right in. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k root 3 centimeters, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? So first, let's put our triangle. And what do we know about our triangle? We know that the height of the triangle, which I'll put in red, is k root 3. We're given that information. We also know the perimeter is 624. So we know for a triangle, an equilateral triangle, all sides are the same length, and we know that the perimeter in general is the sum of the lengths of the sides. So therefore, when we look at each side, S, we know that 3 times S equals 624. So S is equal to 624 divided by 3, which is going to give you 208. So we could write 208, 208, 208. But we're asked to find K. So you might ask, well, what's the next step from here? And the next step is to identify that this triangle, which I just put here in red, is what's referred to as a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So when you have a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, the sides have a special relationship to where if the hypotenuse is 1, the shortest side is 1 over 2, and the other side is root 3 over 2. So what we have here, and we know it's a 30, 60 right triangle because the height bisects an equilateral triangle. So we can map this relationship of these, circle it, of these sides onto what we already know about our triangle. So we know that if we have the hypotenuse is 1, here it's 208, we can apply that same relationship to the other sides. So we know that the shortest side will be 208 divided by 2, which is equal to 104. And we know that k root 3 is going to equal root 3 over 2 times 208. And now what we can do, we notice right away, I'll use gray, we can cancel out the 208s, and then we're left with, I'll keep it in red, k equals 208 over 2 equals 104, and that's going to be our final answer. So when we review the steps, first we wrote down the height, we denoted where the height was on our triangle. I think drawing the triangle is helpful, but if you can do it in your head, you don't have to, but I think it's just a helpful tool to visualize the problem. We identified the hypotenuse through the perimeter because we know it's an equilateral triangle. We then noticed that the triangle is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, and then we're able to map what we know about the 30, 60, 90 right triangle onto the existing triangle by multiplying each of the sides by 208, and then we're able to get our equation. That's k root 3 is equal to 100, or k root 3 is equal to 3 pi, or root 3 over 2 times 208. We can just solve for k, and then k is equal to 104. So that's how we go through that question, knowing that the triangle is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, and then using that to solve the problem. So if that wasn't clear, if there are any questions you have, if there was anything that was unclear, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to go over it. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. If you have any other topics you'd like me to go over. Once again, just leave a comment. It could be on this video, it could be on the community post, it could be on any other video, and I'll look to get to it as soon as possible. If you want to see my full-length SAT math reviews, those are available in the SAT content playlist on my channel. Once again, please remember to like the videos and please subscribe. That really helps get the videos out there and grow the channel. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, as always, if anything's unclear, please just leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.